1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Thank you so much for tuning into this video. You can grab the PDF using the link in the description, and this was suggested by one of my students. I taught it to him in a Zoom lesson, a one-on-one lesson a few weeks ago, and I thought it would be really nice to do a tutorial of this. Only uses 4 chords, 3 chords actually, but just some variations on the G, and a very simple picking pattern, and then I have the tab that we're going to walk through just now. Alright, so let's zoom in here, and let me show you exactly what's going on. So the chord shapes that we're going to use, and let me first teach you the picking pattern, or first chord, and then we go into the picking pattern. So C, cap on 2nd fret, and we're going to use the pinky as well here, and then this F, but then we're going to add the bass here, and sometimes put the pinky down here. So sometimes with the C, we're going to put the pinky also on the 2nd string. And with G, we're going to put play it like this, but sometimes put the pinky also on the 2nd string. Okay, picking pattern is simple. It just starts with a pinch, with the thumb and the middle finger, and then it goes to a P-I-P-M-P picking pattern. That's kind of the basis of it. Getting carried away there, but you get the idea. Very simple picking pattern. Then these are the chord progressions that we use. For the intro and the verses, we do. We don't have to do the alternating bass, but you can do. Or you can just go. Chorus F, then the last line C, G, and then for the advanced players. Those those major 6 intervals there. Okay, so you get the idea. Let's go through the intro, which is the hardest part of the song. So you don't have to play the intro, but it is lots of fun. So we're going to go through the first line, which that C chord is played twice. So we start with a pinch. So your hand here, or the intro, these 2 fingers are on the high strings, and the thumb is alternating between 5 and 3, and that's the hardest part for people to get right. That's the first bar. The thing is to keep the orange ones, the bass notes, just consistent. This part is really tough. You go hammer on. That's the first part of the F. So you hammer on. That's just the first part of the F. The second part is pinky coming in there. Let me also circle these ones. So that keeps going on for the F chord. And then you keep that pinky there and go to C chord for the next line. And then you go. Keep the pinky there and go to a G. Then you can strum a normal C picking pen and just do that walk up into the verse. See what I'm saying. Okay, so it's a pretty nice song, pretty simple. Get the picking pattern down. That's the first step. Just play it with the picking pattern, the whole thing. This pattern, this one. Okay, then these parts are really difficult, especially the F with the thumb on the bass note. Okay, so just give yourself some time. Just practice this riff for a couple of times, and then this one you could just play normal F chord. And then this one just normal C and this one a normal G. So then it kind of sounds like the song. And then you learn parts like that. That is how I would do it. Cheers, have a nice day. If you want to join my community, links in the description. Cheers, goodbye.